Ayan mga buhulan nung Canadian. Nagdidilig siya, no? Tingnan mo. Say hi to your viewers.
Hi viewers.
Another day. Yung atin yan na pinsan nandun sa kabila. Pupuntahan natin ngayon. So ito yung ano. Yan, kamote.
Potato grower?
Yeah, it's growing. That's a sweet potato. Alright. Yeah. So nandito siya mga buhulan ng Canadian. Ayan, no? Thank you for doing that. Okay? What?
Since when did you get here?
Keep going. Why?
You scared me.
No. See, look at that. Eh? Prots. They called prots. Say hi to your viewers.
Hi.
Yeah. And then after that, the other side, okay? Huh? Jackson, he did the other side.
Over there?
Yeah.
He's over there?
Yeah.
Doing it?
No, you're here. You're here. You're doing here.
Is he gonna do the other side?
Yeah. He did already. What?
He already
No.
did it? With
Yeah.
another hose?
Yeah.
You have another hose?
Yeah, in the front. So you do it here, okay?
Is he done?
No, he's not. He just started. Just Daddy Lo vlogging. Ayan mga buhulan ng Canadian, no? Nagdidilig siya ng halaman.
Green plants again?
Right over there.
Over here?
Yeah.
This one?
Meron siyang tanim dito eh.
Where?
Right there. This one. The tiny one, eh?
That one?
Yeah.
Mm.
And then the zucchini. There, zucchini, you know.
Where's the zucchini?
That one.
Here?
Yeah, and then this one is squash. That's squash.
Can I go to the front and water it too with his hose?
I told you, Jackson, he did watering there.
Can I water the grass?
No, you don't have to water the grass. Ayan, mga buhulan ng Canadian. What?
What's jet?
You know jet? Like that. Very fast. See, I told you. Not that for watering. That's for playing gun.
No, but I use it for watering my grass for far places.
Oh yeah? And do it there. There, do.
Over there?
Yeah. The apple. Apple. Look here.
Where's the apple?
This one. Apple. That's an apple.
Where?
This one.
Apple tree?
Yeah.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Yeah,
watering
keep
it.
going. Slowly, slowly open. Yeah.
I'm watering that. The tree's gonna be as tall as that one.
Yeah, and then cherry over there. Cherries.
Where'd you get all these seeds?
Yeah, Tanay did seeds the other 4 years ago.
Where'd you get the seeds?
From Co-op, remember? Yeah? Say hi to your viewers.
Hi again.
Alright. Ayan, mga bula ng Canadian. Hey, hey, look here. Look. Okay. O, say bye-bye na.
Bye.
What?
I said you gotta push it, yeah.
Yeah, he has a YouTube channel. Hey Jackson, say hi to your viewers.
Hi viewers.
Look here. Look.
Hi viewers.
Good. And say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye viewers.
Peace here.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.